THINKWARE U1000 Flagship Dual-Channel Dashcam with Radar Module Accessory 4K UHD Front 2K QHD Rear, Wi-Fi GPS Super Night Vision Cloud Hotspot Parking Mode. 4K Ultra HD at 30 fps, 4x more vivid than Full HD. The U1000 records crystal clear video in 4K UHD at 30 fps, capturing every little detail you may have missed before. You also get the option to record in 2K QHD at 60 fps. THINKWARE Cloud Ready. The THINKWARE Cloud app provides convenient control and constant communication, as well as access to advanced location-based features like geofencing, locate vehicle and remote live view. Ultra-wide view, 150 degrees viewing angle minimizes blind spots and allows you to capture more of all the surroundings in front of your vehicle. Super Night Vision 2.0. Super Night Vision 2.0 in the U1000 uses advanced image processing technology to record a clear visible video in any situation, day or night, driving or parked. 2K Quad HD rear camera, 4x more vivid and powerful than an HD rear camera. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.